Yes, and welcome to the space weather. Some interesting filamentary stuff going on, especially around the eastern limb. Only a minor flare, a coronal hole wind stream showing up. Some geomagnetic unrest is about to subside. We'll talk about it in our next video. Here's your solar magnetogram. We've got basically only two sunspots here. We do have a sort of a beta class group down here, but it's barely got ombre. And we'll show you more detail on that in our next space weather video as well. Here's some composite imagery. Top-notch SDO composites there for you folks. Radio flux has come up to 97 solar flux units. There's your 1-year graph to put it in context. It's the early ramp-up of solar cycle 25. So space weather enthusiast dashboard, not expecting any geomagnetic unrest here. We got the coronal hole wind stream a little bit early. You can expect some higher speed pulses out of this, apparently a series of coronal hole wind streams, or maybe even an extended one. But that's what's going on. As far as seismicity, 90-day earthquake drought. Not a 90-day drought. I mean, we've got 90-day graph here. And significant drought there at the end of the graph. Just to put that in context, here are some older 1-year charts. For example, there's 2020. 2012 rather, there's 2013. There's 2014. And you can see the distance between the red bars is what we're referring to here. Those are 7 magnitude earthquake droughts. Usually only lasting a couple of months. So we're a little bit behind. It's about 5 weeks since the last 7 magnitude earthquake drought. I mean, since the last 7 magnitude earthquake, rather. All right. Let's check our earthquake list here. It's basically a lull in earthquakes there. Do we even see a 5+ magnitude? There's a 4.0 at California. I did see a 3.3, I think, reported on Twitter at California. I think it was at 3.1. But yeah, so a 4.0. Keep in mind, folks, any earthquake can be a foreshock. And a 4.7 recently occurred in Japan. So earthquake lull continues, folks. Looking at volcanoes, Etna was on the list yesterday. Now starting out with Suminose-jima. 6,000 foot ash plume as it explodes there over the Ryukyu Islands. Causing fertile soil downwind. Semaru, flight level 140. 14,000 foot ash plume over East Java Fuego. 15,000 foot ash plume over Guatemala as it explodes as well. And Nevado del Ruiz in Colombia exploding. 23,000 foot ash plume. Sangay exploding. 20,000 foot ash plume over Ecuador. From Sangay, also 14,000 foot ash plume over Revenador. Sabancaya unable to detect.